Aflac wanted to know how people are handling rising healthcare costs and whether or not they're prepared to handle out-of-pocket expenses. So we decided to take it to the street and ask them, how long do you think you could go without a paycheck?
Probably like 2 weeks to a month.
Yo, people, my finances here. Would you like to know my finances, sir? All right, he's good.
You can whisper it if you'd like.
I probably couldn't go more than 1 to 2 weeks without having to find some type of supplemental income.
I have a financial advisor.
Okay.
He's told me 3 to 6 months I should be good. Whether I'm there or not, that's another story.
How long could you go without a paycheck?
Ooh, a week.
A week?
How long? Like I have every day because I work by myself.
Every day you're getting a paycheck.
Yeah, doesn't mean I'm rich.
What happened if you had to move back in with your parents or maybe another relative?
I could save a lot more money.
Yeah, that wouldn't last very long.
Well, this is my best side, so we can do it. Maybe we can do it like this. Or this kind of go like that.
Every single time I have to pay anything, I'm like, all of my stuff is satellite. I can have employees all around the world, and I can run it from my mom's basement, but it would just hinder my progress.
Explore the latest benefits, trends, and resources at AflacWorkforcesReport.com.
Who are you with?
We're with Aflac.
Aflac.
Mm-hmm.
The one with the duck?